What if there was an elevated service, uniquely different from the rest of the private jet world? One that truly exuded the care and attention deserving of the passengers. A team of professionals exceeding the highest of standards. From the smallest of details, like hot and chilled towel service upon boarding, to cabin staff trained in the culinary arts, and inclusive meal service with classic delights from local area chefs. What if this service offered free domestic Wi-Fi for both business and entertainment? True 24-hour concierge service with a suite of offerings for air charter bookings, ground transportation, and luxury retreats. What If is now Key by FUGA. Only for members who fly the skies with Air FUGA.